Did you know that over 90% of millionaires earn a significant portion of their wealth through investments that pay them while they sleep? If you're tired of trading time for money and want to create a steady stream of income without working extra hours, dividend investing might be your game changer. This simple strategy allows you to earn passive income by owning shares in companies that pay dividends regularly, turning your investments into a paycheck that comes in whether you're working or relaxing. If you're ready to unlock the secret to making money in your sleep and building real financial freedom, then this video is just for you. Be sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss any tips. Now, let me show you why this is so urgent and what you need to know before getting started. Welcome to this beginner's guide to dividend investing, where you'll learn how to make money while you sleep. If you're new to investing and looking for a straightforward way to build wealth, this video is for you. We'll explore how investing in dividend-paying stocks can create a steady stream of passive income, helping you achieve financial independence without working extra hours. In the current U.S. economic environment, marked by inflation, fluctuating markets, and uncertain job prospects, building reliable income sources is more important than ever. Dividend investing offers a way to generate income regardless of market ups and downs, making it a smart strategy for long-term stability. By the end of this video, you'll understand the basics of dividend investing, why it's an effective approach for beginners, and how to get started with your own investment journey. You'll learn what to look for in dividend stocks, how to build a diversified portfolio, and the key factors to consider to maximize your passive income. But to make smart decisions, you first need to understand the economic landscape we're dealing with. In today's economic landscape, understanding the environment is crucial for successful dividend investing. Currently, the U.S. economy faces ongoing challenges with inflation remaining elevated at around 3.2%, as reported by the Federal Reserve. High inflation erodes purchasing power, making passive income streams more valuable than ever. Meanwhile, interest rates have been rising steadily, with the Fed increasing rates multiple times over the past year to combat inflation, pushing the federal funds rate to approximately 5.25%. This environment impacts both the stock and bond markets, influencing investor behavior and market cycles. The housing market also plays a role, with rising mortgage rates cooling demand and slowing home price growth. At the same time, the labor market remains tight, with unemployment at a low 3.8%, according to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, supporting consumer spending but also contributing to inflationary pressures. These factors create volatility and uncertainty, emphasizing the importance of stable, reliable income sources like dividends. Tax policies are also evolving, with potential changes on the horizon that could impact after-tax returns from investments. As markets cycle through periods of growth and correction, dividend-paying stocks often provide a buffer, offering consistent income even during downturns. This environment underscores the importance of diversifying and selecting resilient companies to generate passive income. With that context in mind, let's break down a strategy you can actually apply. Welcome to the world of dividend investing, a simple yet powerful way to make money while you sleep. The main idea is to buy shares of companies that regularly pay dividends, which are a portion of the company's profits shared with shareholders. Think of dividends as a thank you gift for investing in that company. By holding these stocks over time, you can earn a steady stream of income without having to sell your investments. Here's how it works. You start by saving some money and choosing companies with a good track record of paying dividends. These companies are often stable and financially healthy, so they can keep paying you regularly. Once you buy their shares, you become a partial owner of the company. As a shareholder, you automatically receive dividend payments, usually quarterly or annually. You can choose to take this money as cash or reinvest it to buy more shares, which can help grow your income over time. Key terms to understand include dividends, which are the payments you receive, stocks, the shares you buy, and reinvestment, which means using your dividends to buy more shares, compounding your earnings. This strategy doesn't require you to actively trade or constantly monitor the market, making it a great way to build wealth passively. By focusing on reliable dividend-paying stocks, you create a steady income stream that can help cover expenses, grow your savings, and support your financial goals. It's a simple, effective approach to earning money even when you're not working. Now, let's look at a real-world example to see exactly how this plays out in practice. Imagine you decide to invest in a well-established company like Johnson & Johnson. You purchase 100 shares at $160 each for a total investment of $16,000. This company has a solid history of paying dividends. Let's say an annual dividend of $4.24 per share. That means your total annual dividend income would be 100 shares times $4.24, which equals $424 per year, or about $35.33 per month, paid quarterly. Now, consider the return on your investment. Your initial $16,000 investment yields $424 annually in dividends. Dividing $424 by $16,000 gives a dividend yield of approximately 2.65%. While this might seem modest, it's a steady income stream that can grow if the company increases dividends. Using a tool like Zillow or MortgageCalculator.org, you could compare this income to potential housing costs. For example, if your rent is $1,200 a month, the dividend income covers nearly 3% of that. If you decide to reinvest these dividends, you could buy more shares over time, compounding your passive income. This setup shows how consistent dividend-paying stocks can contribute to your financial stability. But remember, this looks great only if you avoid the common traps that ruin deals like this. Investing in dividends can be a game changer for building passive income, but beginners often make mistakes that can derail their success. First, many new investors jump into the market without doing proper research, choosing stocks based on hype rather than fundamentals. For example, buying a high-dividend stock without understanding the company's financial health can lead to unexpected cuts or losses. Second, some overlook the importance of diversification, putting all their money into a single sector or a few stocks, which increases risk. Imagine putting everything into energy stocks during a downturn. Your income could take a hit. Third, neglecting to reinvest dividends is a missed opportunity. Reinvesting grows your portfolio faster, turning small gains into significant wealth over time. Lastly, many beginners ignore the importance of patience and discipline, expecting quick results instead of understanding that dividend investing is a long-term strategy. By avoiding these pitfalls, you set yourself up for steady growth and income stability. Remember, successful investing isn't about luck, but about making informed decisions and sticking to a plan. To avoid those mistakes, here are the best tools and resources available right now. Welcome to Dividend Investing for Beginners, your pathway to making money while you sleep. The key is to focus on stocks that pay regular dividends, providing you with a steady income stream and long-term growth. To start, you'll need reliable tools and resources to guide your decisions. First, check out Yahoo Finance at finance.yahoo.com. It offers detailed stock data, dividend histories, and news updates, helping you analyze potential investments. Next, visit Seeking Alpha at seekingalpha.com, which provides expert analysis and dividend stock rankings to identify solid dividend-paying companies. For portfolio management, Robinhood at robinhood.com is a user-friendly app that allows commission-free investing and dividend reinvestment, making it easier to grow your holdings over time. If you want to dive deeper into financial education, Investopedia at investopedia.com offers comprehensive guides on dividend investing strategies and financial concepts. Lastly, for tracking your dividend income and setting goals, try Personal Capital at personalcapital.com, which offers free financial tools to monitor your net worth and investment performance. These platforms support your strategy by providing research, analysis, and easy access to investments, helping you make informed decisions and stay disciplined. Now that you've got the tools, let's talk about the first thing you could do today to get started. Set up your brokerage account, research a few dividend stocks, and consider setting up automatic dividend reinvestment. With these steps, you're on your way to building passive income and growing your wealth effortlessly. Imagine waking up each morning to see your investments earning money while you sleep. That's the power of dividend investing. But every journey begins with a single step. Today, I want you to take one simple, realistic action. Check your credit score. Why? Because knowing where you stand financially is the foundation for making smart investment choices. A healthy credit score can help you access better loan options and lower interest rates, which in turn makes investing more accessible and affordable. Plus, it's a quick task, just a few minutes to log into your free credit report from trusted sites. Once you see where you're at, you'll feel more empowered to plan your next move. Whether that's downloading an investing app, listing your monthly expenses to find savings, or even simulating your first dividend investment. Each small action builds momentum, turning uncertainty into confidence. Taking that first step today sets the stage for your long-term success. Remember, every great investor started where you are now with just one small action. When you stay consistent, watch your progress grow, and remain patient, your money can work for you over time. So, go ahead, check your credit score today, because that's how every long-term success story begins. And as you keep moving forward, imagine what's possible when you stay committed to your goals. The journey to making money while you sleep starts now. Imagine yourself 10, 15, even 30 years from now, having built a steady stream of income that works for you around the clock. Picture waking up each morning knowing that your investments in dividend-paying stocks have grown consistently over time, providing you with passive income that supports your lifestyle. With patience and discipline, small contributions today can compound into a substantial nest egg. For example, by consistently reinvesting dividends and adding to your investments, you could own a portfolio that generates enough passive income to cover your living expenses, or even own multiple rental properties that generate reliable cash flow. The key is staying committed to a long-term plan, understanding that growth happens gradually but steadily, especially when you focus on quality investments and patience. Over the years, your wealth can multiply, turning modest beginnings into a secure financial future. This isn't about overnight success. It's about the power of consistency and time working in your favor. And now that you see what's possible, here's how we wrap this up and take action. Start today, stay disciplined, and let the magic of compound growth do the heavy lifting. Your future self will thank you. Remember, building a solid passive income through dividend investing is all about consistency, patience, and making smart choices today to secure your financial future tomorrow. Keep researching, stay disciplined, and let your investments grow over time. Your future self will thank you. Thanks so much for watching and celebrating your progress in taking control of your finances. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. What's your first financial goal for this year? I'd love to hear. And if you want to dive deeper into building wealth through investing, check out our video on top dividend stocks for 2024. Remember, we're in this journey together. Stay confident, keep learning, and let's make those money dreams a reality. Catch you in the next one.